Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burger tikki. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your preferred ground meat like chicken or lamb. Also, prepare 1 finely chopped onion and 2 green chilies for a touch of heat. Don't forget ginger garlic paste, your favorite spices, and fresh cilantro to enhance the flavors. These simple components are the foundation for a fantastic tikki. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and mix everything together. In a large bowl, combine your ground meat with the chopped onion, green chilies, and ginger garlic paste. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and flavor. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon of garam masala and the fresh cilantro. Ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined for a uniform mixture. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape our tikkis. Divide the mixture into equal portions, aiming for about 2 ounces each. Gently flatten each portion into a round patty, approximately ½ inch thick. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully place the tikkis in the hot oil and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious burger tikkis are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with a refreshing mint chutney or a creamy yogurt dip for an extra burst of flavor. They are perfect nestled in a burger bun with your favorite toppings, or simply enjoyed as a flavorful side dish. For more great ideas and deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.